A hammer is the quickest and easiest way to get the job done if you need to pound in a few nails, but when you face a bigger project, you'll find that a nail gun is faster and requires less elbow grease. Dean Biermeyer, general contractor, carpenter, and member of the Spruce's Home Improvement Review Board, recommends homeowners tackling small projects, such as hanging holiday lights or tacking down carpet, typically will get more use out of smaller trim nailers. If you're doing major remodeling work, however, you'll need a large framing nailer or roof nailer. There are numerous options for cheap nail guns, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable nail guns from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. DEWALT 18-gauge brad nailer kit. A good nail gun should be easy to use, long-lasting, and drive a nail quickly and cleanly without any issues. To do this, the nail gun needs to have a tough build and options you can customize while working. The DEWALT DWFP 12231 checks all these boxes, making it our top pick. The sturdy construction means this tool is going to last, while the rubber grip helps absorb shock and keep your hands comfortable, even during a long work session. This is a reasonably lightweight nail gun with a sequential style trigger and rear exhaust vent that keeps dust and small particles away from you. This brad nailer runs off of a separate air compressor hose and uses 18-gauge nails ranging from 5/8 to 2 inches in length. It has a 100 nail working capacity and a lot of options to customize how you use the tool. You can control the nail depth with a simple tool-free adjustment. When you aren't using it, keep the tool hanging on your side with the included adjustable belt hook. Whether you need the tool for your job or for projects done for your own enjoyment, this is the nail gun to choose. Number 2. Porter Cable Cordless Brad Nailer. If you need freedom of movement while you work, the Porter Cable PCC 790LA cuts the cord, running instead on a 20-volt lithium-ion battery. Typically, battery-powered nail guns don't offer as much punch as ones using an air compressor and hose, but for projects that use softer materials or shallower depths, a battery-operated nail gun is the way to go. Simply charge the battery, stick it into the nail gun, and you are ready to tackle most of the typical projects around your house or yard. This nail gun is designed for portability. In addition to the cordless design, the weight of the tool is centered near the handle, which can help reduce hand fatigue during long projects. The 100 nail magazine uses 18-gauge nails. Number 3. 161721 Pneumatic Brad Nailer. Many budget nail guns skimp on the quality, but the 161721 Pneumatic Brad Nailer tackles most common tasks with ease. Designed to fire 18-gauge brads 3/8 inch to 2 inches in length, this nail gun is a good starter or secondary gun if you are looking to expand your tool collection. The gun works with any air compressor and can operate anywhere from 60 to 115 psi, ensuring you have enough power to drive a nail down into tough materials. For additional comfort, the gun includes a rubber grip built right into the handle. The rubber absorbs the shock that courses up the nail gun with each shot, which can make using it a more comfortable experience. For the price, it's hard to beat this sturdy and useful nail gun, which is well suited to many common projects around the house or yard. Number 4. BOSTITCH F21PL Pneumatic Framing Nailer. A top-notch professional-level framing nailer will give you more options and flexibility, while standing up to the typical abuse larger projects can offer. The BOSTITCH F21PL Pneumatic Framing Nail Gun shoots 1/2 inch to 3/2 inch framing nails through just about any type of wood and even most metals, thanks to its 2 quick-change nose pieces for wood or metal connectors. A push-button depth guide makes setting the desired depth easy as you move around. Connected to the air compressor of your choice, the gun has a working range of up to 120 psi. At max, the gun can deliver up to 1,050 inch-pounds of force using a 60-nail magazine. That might be more power than you need for smaller projects, but it's just what's needed for major projects like framing a home addition or building a large deck. Number 5. NuMax S2-118G2 Pneumatic 2-in-1 Brad Nailer. The NuMax S2-118G2 2-in-1 brad nailer is proof that some budget options don't skip out on features usually found only on far more expensive tools. One common feature many expensive nail guns offer is the ability to use multiple types of nails and brads. For a fraction of the cost, this gun gives you similar flexibility. Using either common 2-inch 18-gauge or 1 to 5/8 inch narrow staples, this is a great choice for projects, such as installing chair rails, crown molding, decorative trim, baseboards, or window casings. Another professional feature this gun includes is a no-mar tip. When working on delicate surfaces, this tip prevents the gun from digging in and doing major damage. That's a major plus when nailing into fragile materials, such as decorative trims, baseboards, and various types of molding. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.